I welcome all of you for the afternoon session. Be happy, be bright, be you, and have a nice day. So, if you're happy, you make others happy, and you shall be bright, and you will be by yourself. Have positive thoughts. Positive thoughts gives you positive words, and your day will be nice, and automatically your life will be a nice one. And as per the schedule, we are going to learn supplementary reader. Already we have seen unit 1 prose and poem, and we are going to see supplementary reader. The title is The Woman on Platform 8. You know, as it is a railway station, someone is waiting for the train, and it was written by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond, you know, he was a writer especially for children, and he was a novelist as well as a poet. And his first novel, Room on the Roof, was published when he was still in his that is teenage, and it is one named the John Ritz Memorial Art in 1957. And he also writes about children and the simple ill folk of Uttarakhand. Folkman stories, simplicity and fluency of language, and an insight into an human nature are hallmarks of his style. His major writings include An Island of Trees, A Bond with the Mountains, and The India I Love. He has also been honored with the Sahitya Akademi Award for his contribution to Indian literature. And in the story also, he writes about a boy who was waiting for the train, and there he met a woman, and he was just moved by that woman. A boy by the name Arun, and he was waiting for the scheduled train, which was at midnight at Ambala station on platform number 8. And he was traveling all alone, and his parents considered that he was grown up, that is, was big enough to travel alone. And he was early to the station, and he felt very bored, and he was looking here and there. You know, as it is a station, it was crowded. And by the time he suddenly a soft voice asked him if he was alone, and it was a woman with pale face and dark, kind eyes, simply dressed in a white sari. He observed that she was very poor. She was poor, but had a dignity in her appearance. Her appearance. She asked whether his parents had come to say him off. That is, must send him off. He replied that he was traveling alone, and Arun, the woman agreed, which made Arun instantly like her. She was simple, and her deep voice and serenity were liked by Arun. They went into the canteen, and there she ordered 3 samosas and jalebis for him. And the woman asked his name and for which train he was waiting. They talked about many things about school, friends, and they did not ask about the family or where she lived. And he thought that she was a quiet, kind, gentle woman who gave sweets to the lonely boy on a railway platform. And that time a boy was trying to cross, that is moving from one platform to other form. He just ran across the rails. He thought that he was not safe. By the time he reached that platform, she felt that something relieved from something. So that time they were just waiting. Again came to the platform. There they met Satish, who was Arun's classmate. He was accompanied by his mother. And at once, she introduced, that is, the lady introduced herself as Arun's mother. And Arun also, on hearing this, he was shocked, and he did not say anything about it. And then Satish's mother warned Arun to be careful of strangers. Satish's mother said that it was a nuisance. It was a really a inconvenience to wait for the train, and they could not allow the child to wait lonely here. So, and he was also warning the boys that they should be careful of the strangers. Arun replied that he liked strangers. He liked strangers. So Satish's mother just looked at them, and then he said that they should be very safe with the strangers. But Arun was simply moved by the lady who was very kind to him. So here it comes. said Satish. That is, the train was arriving, and the front lights played over the rails, and the train entered into moved slowly into the station, and they entered into the train with their luggages, and they sat at the open windows, and the two men stood outside on the platform talking to them. Satish's mother did most of the talking, and he was just giving advice to them, and they were saying don't jump out, like that it was going on. And Arun, as the train started to move, Arun said good boy to both Satish and that woman by good boy mother. Good boy mother. You see, in the beginning she was a stranger, and after that Arun trusted her, and he called her. He called her as good boy mother, and he was just looking at her, at the woman, and still she got lost in the crowd. Do you have any experience like this, children? And always we know you are not supposed to trust any stranger, but in this story, this woman was kind. So Arun trusted her. Don't always trust strangers. Always be safe with your parents. Don't get anything from anyone. And let us see the glossary words. Inferno, it is like a place resembles hell, and the evening to raise or lift with prose, dismally, cheerless, serenity, reverence, encounter, that is a brief meeting. Clutched, grasped tightly, imposing, grand and impressive in appearance, embraced, felt awkward. Nuisance, causing inconvenience. Staggered, moved unsteadily. Wagging, moving rapidly to and fro, front and move. Resentfully, feeling or expressing bitterness. Grinning, smiling broadly. Squatting, crouch or sit with one's knees bent. Hustling, pushed roughly, shrieked, uttered a high-pitched, piercing sound, moved, that is moved slowly, patronizing, treat in a way that is apparently kind, obviously, in a way that is easily perceived or understood clearly, jolted, moved with sudden jerk. Children, I have just read the glossary words. In the next video, I shall explain you with sentences. Thank you for watching, and I have attached a PDF, children. I hope you are following a separate notebook for English. Unit 1, prose and poem already I have given. I hope you have written in that. So, you just follow this also. Unit 3, fill the index column. Your handwriting should be neat. Use black pen, and just write neatly. And in the next video, I'll meet you with your Unit 1 supplementary exercises as well as the glossary words with sentences. And then subscribe our school channel, children. Stay safe at home, obey your parents, drink plenty of water, and use your time properly. By reading, you're getting 3 messages, that is 3 assignments daily. Just try to complete it within that day itself. Don't carry it over for the next day, children. Just stay safe at home. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.